Okay, we're gonna try this, and I have no makeup on, and I'm not looking pretty, so hopefully you're not seeing me. But anyway, you have this blue packet, and if you don't have it, let me know. I may have to send you pictures or something like that. And basically, what I want you to do is think about the square inch tiles we use a lot in class. And so they're what takes up space. So like if I have something like this, that would have an area of 3 square inches. So the tables are kind of what take up the space, and so that's your area. Perimeter is kind of like the people sitting on the side. So it's like if you could take a string and just kind of go along the outside here. So the perimeter is kind of like people sitting at the table. So this would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the perimeter here is 8 inches. The area is 1, 2, 3 square inches, because I'm literally counting the squares. So this shape is illegal in this packet. You can't just have them diagonal. They have to all be connected, at least on a full side. So like this would be legal if you had 4 tiles. You could also build this guy with 4 tiles. You could do them all in a straight line with 4 tiles. Anything like that is legal. So as long as they're touching on a full side, you should be good. Alright, so what I want you to do is try to fill out the front of this packet here. I did give you some like dot paper if you want to try drawing different ones. And then I want you to try to answer the questions on the back here. So, alright, so that is your directions, and if you have any questions, just email me and I'll try to clarify.